Welcome to day 12 of 50 Skills in 50 Days WordPress Development. With WordPress, you can build websites, get paid, and work from anywhere. You can potentially earn $30 to $120 per hour, as 40% of all websites run on WordPress, and demand is huge in 2026. This video will help you understand WordPress development, the fastest route to a remote tech job without a degree. Over 40% of the internet runs on WordPress, meaning the demand for developers is enormous. You can learn this skill in 4 to 8 weeks and earn between $30 and $120 per hour. WordPress development involves building, designing, and customizing websites using the world's most popular CMS. You can create everything from personal blogs to full e-commerce stores. Key areas include theme design, plugin development to add functionality, and building WooCommerce stores. Your earning potential with WordPress depends on your skill level. Beginners can earn $30 to $50 per hour. Mid-level developers can earn $50 to $80 per hour by building custom themes and membership sites. Advanced developers can earn $80 to $120 per hour with custom plugins and enterprise builds. Staff and agency roles offer $60,000 to $130,000 annually. Here are the first 4 of 7 free certification sites. WordPress.org/learn offers tutorials and courses covering the full WP ecosystem. Simply Learn Skill Up provides a free WordPress for Beginners course with a certificate. WP Shout offers in-depth development courses. WordPress VIP Learn gives free enterprise-level training for security and scalability. The remaining 3 free certification sites are Great Learning Academy, Cursa, and FreeCodeCamp. Great Learning Academy offers free WordPress courses with shareable certificates. Cursa provides a Become a Junior WordPress Developer path. FreeCodeCamp offers project-based tutorials and videos for web development certification.
These are the interface of the website I just mentioned earlier, because I want you to get familiar to know what to do when you get to this website. The first one on my list is learn.wordpress.org. When you come to this website, this is the interface. These are the free courses you need to learn. This is Introduction to WordPress, is for beginners. This is what is plugins, setting up blogs. So just come here to courses, then these are the courses you need to learn. This is 41 courses, this is 8 courses, this is 9 courses. So come here and learn one after the other. This is a free courses on how to learn website development. So moving on to the next one. The next one is Simply Learn. If you have watched my previous video, I've talked a lot about Simply Learn. Come to the search bar here, come type WordPress or website. You see, just type Word and it comes with WordPress. Now, with the certification, career aligned part. This is it. Introduction to WordPress. Learn WordPress. Build websites with AI. This is a free courses. So let's go on to check what the course look like. You will get a certification after the completion of this training. This particular one is 1-hour course, 90 days of access. Then after the completion, you will get a free certification. This is other one. This is what is dropshipping websites. I wish you all the best. Let's move on to the next one. The next one is WP Shout, right? Come to your browser and type courses.wpshout.com. WP means wordpress.shout.com. So it is time to really learn WordPress development. So browse courses. These are beginners courses. I don't think we are going to use this because you are going to make payments. So I'm going to remove this. WordPress. Another one is Become an Enterprise with WordPress Developer with VIP Learn. So this one, now come to learn.wpvip.com. Should I repeat it? Learn.wpvip.com. These are courses. These are certification courses. So just come here, choose your course, test and building, start course, click on any one of them. Now if you want to start your course, you have to sign up, click here to register. Then you have to fill in your details right here, your email address, your username, your password, confirm email, then click on register. I wish you all the very best. Let's move on to the next one. This is Great Learning. If you have been following, this website is not new. This is my Great Learning. Come here to type website development. Click enter. Come to the search bar right here on WordPress and type whatever you want to learn. These are pro version. There is free version. Come down here. These are free courses. These are free courses. So if you have not learned all of those things, I do not know what you're waiting for. You don't need a degree to start. So these are free courses. I wish you the very, very best. Just come here. This is front end. This is deploy a website with GitHub. This is front end CSS. This is web development service. There are tons of free courses right here. Just come here and look for the one you want to learn. After the completion of these free courses, you are going to get a free certification. Most of these courses are just 2 to 3 hours of learning. So best of luck. Moving on to the next one. Coursera is one of my favorites. So come here and type web development and click on search. We have tons of this right here. We have them right here. You see web development courses. Just come here and choose whatever you want. I mean, till I finish this program, this 50 skills and 50 days program, I'll be coming to Coursera every single damn day, because tell me the course you want to learn that you will not find on Coursera. Everything is right here on Coursera. So just come to Coursera, choose your WordPress. You can see web development for beginners. Click on it. This is free course, free certifications, and free job website. So if you haven't subscribed, click on that subscribe button, like this video, share with a friend, and do well to drop your comments below. If there's skills you want to learn and I've not talked about it in these 12 days, make sure you put it in the comment section. I'm going to talk about it when I see it in the comment section. So moving on to the next one. This is free code camp. This has to do with coding. You can just come here and click on get started for free. So right here, you don't have an account with them before. Click on sign up. So when you click on sign up, they will ask you if you want to sign up with your Google account, your GitHub, or your email address, or your Apple device. Choose whatever works for you and start your learning. This is coding. This is not web designing. So I wish you the very best. So the next one right here is LinkedIn Learning. We only give you free trials, and the free trials will last for 30 days. So if you have if you want to learn and you are ready to pay at the end of the training, come to LinkedIn Learning. So when you have your 30 days free trial, you will still have to pay them to continue the course and get a certification. I wish you the very best. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like this video, share with a friend, drop your comments below.
Now let's look at remote job platforms. We Work Remotely is the largest remote-only job board, featuring dedicated WordPress developer sections. Arc.dev offers curated and vetted remote WordPress jobs. WP Remote Work is exclusively for the WordPress ecosystem, listing relevant theme, plugin, and full-stack roles. Working Nomads offers global remote roles. The final 3 remote job platforms are Turing, Jubal, and Remote Rocket Ship. Turing is an AI-matched platform connecting developers to US tech companies with stable long-term contracts. Jubal aggregates thousands of remote WordPress developer jobs. Remote Rocket Ship is a remote-first platform for contract and full-time WordPress roles globally. Here are 4 steps to start your journey today. First, learn for free using sites like learn.wordpress.org and Simply Learn. Second, build 3 real sites, a blog, a business site, and a WooCommerce store using local WP. Third, apply for remote jobs on platforms like We Work Remotely and Arc.dev. Fourth, join the free 50 Skills in 50 Days community to connect and get feedback. Your free developer toolkit includes WordPress.org, the open source core. Local WP offers a free local development environment. VS Code is a free code editor and the industry standard. Elementor's free version is a drag-and-drop page builder. WooCommerce is a free plugin to turn any site into a store. GitHub provides free version control. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up to help others find this free 50-day skill series. Subscribe and turn on all notifications so you don't miss day 13. Share this video with one person who wants to work remotely. Finally, Join the free 50 Skills in 50 Days community to connect and land your first client faster. Day 12 is complete. You now have everything you need to build WordPress sites and get paid for it. Remember the top certification site, job site, earning potential, and community resources. Subscribe, turn on all notifications, and we'll see you for day 13 tomorrow.